In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts from Yahoo account easily. By the end, you'll know how to remove a single contact or clean up multiple contacts in one go, all within the Yahoo Mail interface. Start by signing into your Yahoo Mail account. Once you're in your inbox, look for the Contacts section. You'll usually find a contacts icon in the right panel or sidebar. It may look like a small silhouette or a label that says Contacts. Click it to open your Contact Manager. To make sure you're seeing everything, select the All tab. This shows your full contact list instead of any smaller lists or categories you may have created. If your list is long, you can scroll through it, but the quickest method is to use the search bar at the top of the Contacts panel. Type part of a name or email to narrow down the results and find exactly who you're looking for. When you see the contact you want to remove, click their name to open their details page. This confirms you've selected the right person. On this page, look for the More Options icon. It's often represented by 3 dots or a small downward arrow. Click that to open the Actions menu. From the menu, choose Delete Contact. Yahoo will ask you to confirm. Take a moment to double-check you've selected the correct contact, because deleting removes that entry from your address book. When you're sure, confirm the deletion, and the contact will be removed. If you want to delete multiple contacts at once, go back to the All tab view. Next to each contact's name, you'll see a checkbox. Click the checkbox for every contact you want to remove. You can scroll and select as many as needed. This is especially helpful for cleaning up duplicates or outdated entries. With your selection made, click the same More Options icon to open the Actions menu, and choose Delete Contacts. You'll be prompted to confirm again. Confirm, and Yahoo will permanently remove all selected contacts. A couple of quick tips as you finish up: if the interface looks slightly different, the icon styles may have been updated, but the process remains the same. Open Contacts, select All, choose the contact or contacts, and delete from the More Options menu. And if you're unsure about any entry, it's best to review the details page before confirming. That's it. You've learned how to delete contacts from your Yahoo account easily. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.